Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Naomi. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a model portfolio from scratch. For beginners, as a model, you have to know what is out there and what is required from you. I know most of you have questions on how to start a modeling career, how to build your portfolio, where to start, where to go, where to get signed. You have so much questions and I'm here to answer them. What do you need to build your modeling portfolio? Drum roll, people. You need you. So take care of yourself, take care of your skin, take care of your body, take care of the environment that you are in, because you get motivated, you get creative to be a model. Stay in your creative juices. As a beginner, what do you need to start modeling? I already told you, you. What else? You need equipment to start shooting. For those who don't have money to start shooting, to go and pay for someone to shoot for professionalism, stick with this one. Just get a ring light, a tripod, your phone, a white wall, your outdoor, your environment, where you are. That's where you're going to start your modeling career. You don't have to go anywhere. Just stay where you are and get this done. And I'm going to help you with this. If you don't have any information on where to get these products that I just showed, I will leave the link below in the description. Get it and get started. Come on, don't waste time. Come on. What type of looks do you need in your modeling portfolio? There's beauty, there's fashion, there's runway, there is editorial. The 3 looks that I want to advise you all. 1, beauty. 2, fashion. 3, fitness. Because in those 3 looks, you can get every other look. You can get the editorial look from there, you can get the outdoor look from there, you can get a lot of different looks out of those 3 types of shoots. Try to get those 3 looks in your book. And how do you shoot them? Your beauty look, first of all, has to be very clean. Plain, simple, nice, black and white or color. The type of mood, be you. Just laugh, smile, angry, whatever. Just be the model that you want to be. Shoot ones that you don't have your hands in the picture and ones that you have your hands in the picture to show the difference. Now we go to the fashion look. Fashion look is more of the fashion side of you. So you want them to see the pose, your emotion, the way that you react with the environment, the way that you take direction. They want to see how you move. In this fashion look, make sure that you're taking pictures that are a little bit on the hip side and a bit further, because they want to see your movement, your motion. And it's fashion. Fitness pictures. Fitness pictures are usually, or basically, you take your fitness pictures already. You are at the gym, selfie. You're working out, selfie. you and your friends, selfie. You're already taking pictures as a model. Take that energy, take that knowledge, bring it into your photo shoot. There are different types of fitness pictures that you can take. You take the non-motion pictures and the motion ones. The non-motion ones are the ones that you're just relaxing and like you've worked out, you're sweaty, you're like, oh. And the motion ones are ones that you can show your movement. Like if you're doing yoga, you show your yoga movement. If you're a boxer, you show your boxing style. If you're Pilates, you do your Pilates moves. I don't know. Karate moves.
You getting it, right? Okay, good.
Do research. Take inspirations from photographers, designers, stylists, magazines. From the agency that you want to get signed, take inspirations from them. Think like them to work with them. I know looks weird. But be you. That's possible. You've done your research, now you've taken your pictures. What next? You put them in a portfolio, in your book. Go to those agencies that you want to get signed with. Look at how they arrange their new models, because you're new. Their new models, how they arrange their pictures, arrange it the way that it is. This is what you would take to your clients, you would send to your agency, you would take to brands. That's your book. Now you've arranged your book. Do you actually need to have both digital and print? You need both. Have both. Be so prepared that they will not say no to you, because here, that's my book. Beginner modeling, take it easy, practice. When you have practiced enough by yourself, at home, in front of people, with your friends, take that practice and now invest in yourself. Invest in yourself is basically taking money, paying a photographer to shoot you, or paying a photographer to bring his team to shoot with you. Or for new beginners, the next step is basically just getting a photographer, Instagram, Facebook, tell them, hey, I'm building my book, can you please help me shoot, and I have this type of look, but we'll exchange pictures. Don't pay for your pictures, okay? Know your worth, know where you are, know where you stand, and for those who are already modeling, know your worth. You got this. I'm not pretty enough, I'm not skinny enough, I'm not tall enough, I'm not wide enough. All of this factor in my fear to go for my career, but I took that step. But I'm gonna leave you guys with this. You are born for this. This is 2021. I will succeed. And I want you to do the same, okay? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please subscribe, leave a comment, like, or share, because sharing is caring. Go with God, go with love.